Hello everyone. Welcome to this new grandMA2 video tutorial. In this video, we will see how to create a macro to generate color presets that work for all types of fixtures. Okay, here I have 3 groups of fixtures that I will work with. In the color picker window we have some color presets that are predefined in the console, and these are the ones that we will use in our macro. We will specifically use 2 types of gel, MA colors only. Each color is represented with its respective name, or with a number. For this example we will use the number of each color. Let me show you that these presets do work for all our fixtures, although some lights are RGB type and others are color wheel. Alright, let's start by creating our new macro. We right click an empty box in the macros pool. A window opens where we can start adding the macro lines. The command we add is group 1T. This sends the command to the console to select group 1 forward. In the next macro line we will use the number of the color we want, and the name of the gel, which in this case is MA colors. We enter the macro addition and add a line with the next command. We enter the addition of the macro and add a line with the command add gel. In quotes we put MA colors. Important note, we must write exactly like this in the console to avoid errors. Now we put dot and quote the number of the color. In the third line of macro we place it where we want the color to be recorded. S preset 4. Four corresponds to the color preset on the console. We can use the number or the name. I will use the name I want to give the color. In this case, I put white in quotes. Let's check that the macro is working. We continue creating the macro lines corresponding to each color. We copy line 2 and 3, and we only change the number and the name to create the other colors. Again we test that it is working. And we do the same process for all colors. Perfect. We already have 13 colors ready. We are missing 2 more. Activating the macro, we can check that the colors work perfectly. We just need to create a CTO and a CTB. To do this, we must go to the gel called Lee. I have already identified the colors by their number. For the CTO color we will use number 108. Now we just have to add it to the macro line. But we must change the name MA colors to Lee. Alright. Now we will use number 201 for the CTB color. And we add the command lines in the macro. We add a final line in the macro. Clear all, so that in the end the program is released. I'll add a type to the macro, so we can see how it runs. Sparkly. We already have our color presets created using a macro. The good news is that we can save our macro and use it in any show. It works for all kinds of fixtures. You can label the macro as you prefer. It is a macro created by yourself. Congratulations. To finish, I want to encourage you to take a screenshot and share it in your Instagram or Facebook stories and to tag me so I can share them in my stories. In the video description I will leave my social medias so that they can follow me and tag me. Thanks for watching this video to the end. Remember to like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so that you are the first to find out about new tutorial videos of grandMA2 and grandMA3. See you soon.